is use the face tool. What I love to do is use more of the spoon-shaped side and start to kind of carve out my cheeks. And what you're gonna notice is the blood is going to start circulating and your face will start to get a little pink. You don't wanna go too hard because you don't wanna necessarily bruise your skin, but you do want the blood to start circulating. I'm gonna like scoop it and smooth it out. Since it is a stone, it is super cooling naturally, so what it'll do is help depuff the eye area, depuff the under eye area. It's as if you maybe took a piece of ice and kind of rubbed it along the eyelids. You can also put it in your refrigerator and have a little bit more of a cooling sensation. I love to take the other side, which is more pointed, targeted, and bring it into an area that gives me a lot of tension, which is my eyes. You can feel the little knots under the skin and you can just kind of massage them and work them out. I love to raise my eyebrow with it. I love to go under the eye, kind of clear out the sinuses, and then bring it up that way. What I also love to do is find other areas that you normally don't massage. Around the lip area is one of those areas. You can feel all the little knots under there. A lot of tension can happen, and I love to kind of move things around. I clench my jaw a lot, unfortunately. You can really kind of get that point in, open your mouth, and really get into this area where we tend to lock. So not only are you basically doing a facial massage with this tool, but you're also tightening and firming your skin, and you're helping your skincare absorb more deeply into your epidermis. What I like to do then afterwards is just go ahead and blend in my skincare a little bit more and then start my makeup routine.